Hello world, this is Randomfix, and today we're going to be doing a quick review of the Launch CRP129E. This is the upgraded version of the 129, and this is going to be a brief and fast video. So if you guys want to check out the video that's a lot more detailed, I'll have a link that in the description box below. And I'm going to show you guys how to quickly connect this and show you guys some of the features of this scan tool. And this thing is really cool, and the best part about it is kind of like winning the lottery. So it's got a lot of great features that I think you guys are going to benefit from. So look what it does. Automatically detects the vehicle, and once the vehicle is detected, you can go ahead and select the options, and with that you can go and hit OK. And now what it will do is it will give you a couple of different things. One of them being you could do a health check on here. And I'm going to show you guys the manufacturer's list, which is pretty comprehensive. Updates are included. No registration required to do the updates. Really cool function. It's got a built-in battery, so even if you unplug from the car, it's not going to die. Comes with a nice, cool little case that was included on there, and as well as a little cable so you can charge it via USB, so you don't have to sit here in the car. And I'm going to do a quick little health report on here on my vehicle. And you guys are going to be able to see that I cleared the check engine light earlier and had some fault codes. So all of these codes still stay in the system. And these are pretty cool to have if you're checking out buying a vehicle. And this is really going to help you guys out. So check that out right there. It lets me know that I got something going on with my transmission. It found it on the spot. So this would be a vehicle that maybe would need more in-depth review on to make sure you're getting the right car. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the manufacturers that it covers now, and you can go ahead and hit that little door right there. Puts you back at the main screen here. So these are the manufacturers that it supports. We got Buick, Dodge, GM, Honda, Jaguar, Lincoln. We got Porsche, Subaru, Suzuki, Volvo, VW, and Toyota. So great list of auto manufacturers. We got the diagnose feature with here, which we used. We got the inspection monitor feature. So if you're buying a vehicle, this is something you want to use all the time. If you guys haven't checked out my other videos, check those out. About that, OBD2, we can reset oil lights, some TPMS lights. And we can also do some other things such as steering wheel angle sensors, relearn throttle bodies when they're electronic after a cleaning or replacement. We got TPMS sensor resets, and upgrades are included. A battery voltage feature, which actually has a graph, which makes it super easy to see what's going on with the battery. And yes, it does have Wi-Fi, so connection and upgrading is super easy. Overall, really great unit. And if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to have a link in the description box below. This definitely gets a thumbs up from me. I'll have any coupon codes or anything else that I find in the description box as well. Thanks for watching. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit subscribe and smash on that notification bell, so anytime I post videos that are aimed at saving you time and money, you guys will get notified. Have a fantastic day. See you on the next one. Hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.